All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So got cold feet. Yeah, to quit and back out of something at the last moment. Yeah, to quit and leave. He got cold feet. He got cold feet and left suddenly. Yeah, we think he might get cold feet. If he gets cold feet, then he will leave suddenly. Yes. Sometimes people get cold feet if they are unsure about the future. Yeah. How cool is that? Definitely. Yeah. Do you think she got cold feet? She might have got cold feet. It depends. She might have gotten cold feet. It depends on her character. Yeah, it depends on her character. Eventually, they might get cold feet and just leave. Just leave. That's it. As soon as he gets cold feet, as soon as she gets cold feet, she will just leave without a second thought, without thinking twice. No, just leave. Get cold feet and gone. Simple as that. How cool is that? Yeah. But you have to be careful not to get cold feet. It has to be a decision that you are very certain about. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use got cold feet in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.